Good morning. I'm wide awake. All is well. This is how this turned out. Really, really cute. And what I was showing y'all is just to keep, like, sometime when I'm halfway done with a candle, I want to shift it over. Just put some little fall colors there. And without getting all these moved, you really can't see, but this is going to be the centerpiece. So, of course, that box and all these won't be around it. But this is what it's looking like. I don't know, you can see down there, I got my pumpkin wallflower plugs in, and the carpet cleaner guy is on the way. But let me tell y'all what happened. So the guy that used to clean my carpet, Mr. Mike, he moved to Florida. He said, once this pandemic calmed down, I'm out of here. We had a relationship. Every 3 months, the first Thursday of the month, he would come through and keep it clean. And it's been hard keeping up with that since he left about January, right? So just me trying out other companies, trying to see like, that they did a mediocre job, they did an okay job. With that being said, your price is your price, right? So at this point, I'm just going down Google, called the company. The young man answered, very nice, very professional. Told him, I said, can you come out sometime this week, preferably before Friday? He said, you know what? I have something about 11, 12:30 today, which would have been yesterday, y'all. That would have been perfect. So I tell him, yes, my couch is coming. I need my living room carpet clean, and I got my 2 bedrooms. He said, do you have a hallway? I said, if you want to consider that, if that's what it is, because I'm thinking last minute price, right? So he gave me the price. He said, your price would be $120. I was like, okay, not a problem. So then he repeated everything that I said I need clean. I said, no, you left off the living room, which is the biggest space. He said, oh, you said 2 rooms. No, my couch is coming for the living room. I'm not just going to get the living room clean. I want the whole thing clean. He was like, oh, hold on. So then he starts adding, and in like 5 minutes of silence, oh, that's gonna be about 165. Understand? Your price is your price. This is last minute. He said, and you know we got tax. We take cash, but if you gotta pay with your card, there's like a really big service fee, so that'll bump you up to 175. I said, you know what? I thank you, but let me call around. I was going to do it, and I said, let me call around. So I called 2 other companies, and then the one company I called had a deep cleaning special of $89 plus tax, and I'm able to get some extra areas done, and they use OxyClean and Kim Fresh. I'm like, yes, that's what Mr. Mark used, Kim Fresh. How about the dude who upped the price, called back, y'all, like 20 minutes later, yeah. My boss said I can come do it in about 30 minutes. He'll knock it down to 140. I said, no, thank you. I've already booked with somebody. My takeaway from that is in business, you miss more business by a low ounce of greed, because I wanted somebody I could call on every 3 months. So you're going to get that money from me regardless. But for you to knock, you missed the recurring customer for $25 more. Is that worth it? But again, your price is your price. Let's just be logical when it comes down to business. That's my point. So meanwhile, on Friday, had me late for work. This was the guy from Kim Fresh. Y'all, come to find out, Kim Fresh contract their workers. And I had to call customer service a couple of times because I didn't appreciate that. He had the right machines, but this guy did a horrible job. I had to go in and say, excuse me, can you get behind the door? Like, just cutting corners. It'll dry when it get lighter. It'll get lighter when it dry, baby. When I got home from work and you're supposed to be on a damp floor, it felt like I was walking in mud. I was pissed. I took pictures. I emailed the company. Baby, y'all refund me my money. So I had to let the floor completely dry before I get another company out. And this is the OxyClean company that came out on, I want to say that was that Sunday. And this young man, Anthony, he said either ask for him or Seth, baby. He did an amazing job. Look at this machine. This is what I was expecting. When I get my carpet clean every 3 months, I know the tone and the color it comes out to. Like I said, rolling soot, the wicks off of those candles, the carbons dropping down your carpet. You have to watch that. So meanwhile, the carpet dried 4 days. My couch is here. And I Scotch guard down everything. So this is just that part of it, right? And I still have some more decor to do, but y'all, that getting your carpet clean and finding somebody good, I ain't never experienced nothing like that before. So anyway, these are my kitchen rugs with that mauve, that pinky, that cohesive color that's going to go with the terracotta and the jewel tone peacock blue. And I got one in front of the fridge, the sink, and the stove. But I did have to get the grips to keep them from rolling up. And I got these from Amazon. These will be linked as well. Keeping on with the harvest theme, you know. Whatever. After work, went down to at home, found absolutely nothing. I wanted 20 by 20 or 24 by 24 big pillows for the end of the couch in the chase part. And guess what? Home Goods was a letdown as well. When in doubt, buy espresso. I totally forgot. You know, TJ Maxx, Marshalls carry like espresso pods, because at this point Amazon about to be my best friend while I'm in the mood, but I'm really not. I'm going to try the other one down University, and let's hope, because the pillows I want 20 by 20 or 24 by 24 for the chase, and then the other end of the couch, y'all. I'm in the ghetto. Went down to the hood, child. The Ross had nothing. Went over to Kirkland's. They had nothing. Again, the color I'm looking for, everything says fall. But the 3-way candles are $6, y'all. None of them really piqued my fancy. And I guess because I have enough. And even at $6, I just got to go find the sure thing. I know what I want. I ain't got $6 to be taking no chances, is what I'm saying. The guy who worked there brought up something. This is my point. He said, yeah, they all smell like popcorn to me. And I was like, you know what? He's absolutely right. So I'm in the mood. But I'm looking for wall art as well to go over the couch with a museum lighting that I have and 2 sconces. But down at TJ Maxx, y'all, my Revita lift from CVS normally it'll cost almost $30. So I definitely took advantage of some skincare, because I mean, why not treat myself? Because I'm not finding what I want. And y'all know I hit the jackpot with Jordan Sturps when it comes down to TJ Maxx. And y'all, major jackpot. Look at this. I ain't going to even sit down and give y'all a haul. Just look at it right there, because I'm going to end the night by cracking that toasted vanilla pumpkin. All in all, what I think is happening, y'all, that burnt orange, that cinnamon, aka that rust color, everything I'm finding is saying fall, right? And I want that color for after fall, so therefore I don't want the pillows to say anything. So I think I'm gonna wrap this up with my Homeworks candle finds, and then maybe in 2 weeks do like a living room reveal, because it's just giving all fall, and I want those jewel tones for even after fall, y'all. I'm gonna head to Burlington, but I think I done bore y'all enough for the day. And lost attention getting on my nerve, and then the other lady just cussed their ass out over there, so I'm gone. Bye, y'all. I thought I could have given a living room reveal, but y'all just work with me here.